Assalamualaikum. Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you a very simple smoothie. Okay, I'm gonna use avocado. So this is my way because it's gonna fill my stomach at least until 4 hours. So yeah, I'm using a granola. Okay, it's a Tesco brand granola, full cream milk, yogurt, avocado, and also honey. Okay, all right, let's start. So I'm going to use 80 ml, okay, of granola. So it's like 80 gram, okay, granola. 80 ml of yogurt, okay, it's a plain yogurt. 80 ml of full cream milk, okay, so it doesn't matter full cream or fresh milk. So I'm gonna put 2 cup of 80 ml fresh full cream, sorry, per cup. Okay, half of avocado, so I'm gonna blend it first for me and then another half for my husband. Okay, so half I cut first. This is how it looks like. Soften it. Alright, it's a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of honey. So it's up to you if one it's a bit sweet. So I use half teaspoon of honey, so I don't want it to be too sweet, so it's enough for me. So it's up to you if you want to add more honey. Okay, so this is how it looks like after you add on everything. I'm gonna add half cup of cold water. Okay, that's all. So I'm going to use a hand blender to blend it. Stay tuned. So I'm going to use hand blender. It's easy. Finally, this is our avocado granola smoothie. It's very good for breakfast. So pass it to my husband. There you are.
Okay, let me try a sip. Smell. It tastes so good. This avocado smoothie tastes so good.
Okay, so please try it at home. Okay, and yeah, bye, see you then. Assalamualaikum.